Hello mga atin, magandang araw, kumusta ang lahat?
Charis, yan ang talagang budol. Another day, another budol na naman tayo mga atin. Kaya samahan nyo ako mag-unbox nitong one of greatest budol so far this year, ang ating Cleanmatic Twin Tab Washing Machine. I decided to purchase and order this washing machine kasi nga nasira na yung ating washing last time. Kinu-QC na natin, kinu-QC, check lang natin kung ayos na ayos ba at in good condition ang pinadalang item sa atin ni seller.
Chine-check na rin ni Riri kung meron bang freebies sa loob. Baka lang meron, charat!
May mga few scratches pero okay na tayo dyan as long as it's working, it performs well, and it's do its job. After checking the cleaning tab and the spin tab and all the accessories included nitong unit ng ating Cleanmatic Twin Tab Washing Machine, we used to try different brands lalo na kung local para support naman sa ating mga local manufacturer. Itatest naman natin siya sa pagsaksak through AC kung talaga bang gumagana. Thank you for watching and follow for more.